brave souls. Today, as you can see, I have come at Sassoon Dock. This is one of the oldest dock in Mumbai. A canvas, when it is blank, when you put an art to it, it gets meaning. So same thing, this place was very simple and very plain, but artists all over the world came over here and made this place alive. I am loving it, and so actually there are 3 sections. I am going to take you to all different sections, so come along.
The idea of water comes from the sea, the coastal line, and marine life, which all are highly quintessential to the city of Mumbai. Sassoon Dock is the place you'll know why. The Urban Art Festival is free of cost. Hence, before you hop in, make sure you register yourself at Paytm Insider. The old face of the dock was revamped with a range of classic murals, fantastic graffiti, massive installation, and vibrant wall paintings by the talented and skilled artists all over the world. The art of Sassoon Dock embraces these community stories, aesthetics, and age old philosophies, and it will always be an internal part of Mumbai Urban Art Festival. You will have a tough time deciding which installation and expression you like the best, as each one will stir deeper into your consciousness. One thing can be bothering is the smell around. The dock has a strong smell of fishes, and if you are a person who doesn't like the odor, something to be careful about. The event ends on 22nd Feb, so you're definitely not going to miss this extraordinary experience. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next vlog.